Hi children, good morning to all. Did you all enjoy the last video? I'm so happy to see your responses. Keep learning and keep sending me the answers. Okay, now let's start today's learning. We are going to continue with a few more topics on large numbers. Today we'll be learning what is a place value and what is a face value of a given digit in a number. We'll see how to write the expanded form of a given number. Before that, let's see what we already know from our previous videos. We know to draw a place value chart in Indian and International System of Numeration. We know to write a number in standard form, and also we know to read them using number names. We know what is a successor and a predecessor of a given number. We learned how to skip count by adding 1 to the required place value. And finally, reversing the digits of a number, their standard form and number names by both systems. Let's first learn how to find the place value of a given digit in a number. Here I have taken a 9-digit number. We are going to find the place value of digit 3. For that, we'll be needing a place value chart. We already know how to draw a place value chart, even up to 10 crores. Let us put the digits inside the chart. So, which place is digit 3 in? Yes, it is in lakhs place. So the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. How to write the place value in numbers? It's very simple. We are just going to fill in zeros in all places after lakhs. Let's take the same number. This time we are going to find the place value of digit 4. Put the number in the place value chart. See where is digit 4? It is in 10 crores place. So the place value of digit 4 is 4 times 10 crores. That is 40 crores. Let's fill in zeros in all the places after 10 crores and we get 40 crores. Now children, can you quickly try finding the place value for the underlined digits in these numbers? Remember to put them in the place value chart or just mention ones, tens, hundreds at the top of each digit and you will be able to find the place value in no time. Try and send me the answers, children. Now let's see what is the face value of a digit. This is very simple, children. Face value is nothing but the value of the digit itself. You don't have to draw a place value chart to determine where it is placed. For example, we have this 8-digit number, 1,30,75,198. We need to find the face value of 7 here. No matter where 7 is placed in the number, the face value of 7 will always be 7. Very simple, isn't it? Let's see how the place value and face value differs for each digit. Here we have an 8-digit number. We'll first write the face values of each digit. Face value of 7 is 7, face value of 8 is 8, 6 is 6, 9 is 9 and so on. It is just the digit itself. But let's see their place values. For that, we need the place value chart. So the place value of 7 is 7. The place value of 8 is 80 as 8 is in tens place. 6 is 600. 9 is 9,000. 3 is 30,000. 1 is 1 lakh. 0 is 0. No matter how many zeros are added to it. 9 is 9 crores. Were you able to see the difference between the place value and face value of each digit? Let's also see how much do they differ by. We are going to find the difference of place value and face value of a given digit in any number. That is, we are going to subtract the face value from the place value of the digit. I have taken the same number here. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. The place value of 3 is 30,000 as it is in 10,000s place. We are going to subtract 3 from 30,000. We know a shortcut for subtraction from a number ending in zeros learned in one of our previous classes. We just have to subtract 1 from each number. 30,000 minus 1 gives 29,999 and 3 minus 1 gives 2. We can easily subtract these two numbers without borrowing and the answer is 29,997. Shall we see another example? Here is a 9-digit number. The face value of the digit 8 is 8 itself. The place value is found by the place value chart as 8 lakhs. Let's subtract 8 from 8 lakhs. We use the same shortcut here and we have the answer as 7,99,997. 992. Now we know how to calculate the difference of place value and face value of any digit in a number. Shall we try to do addition also? Let's find the sum of place and face values in the same 9-digit number. The face value of the digit 1 is 1 itself and it is in crores place. So, the digit 1 takes the place value as 1 crore. Let's add 1 crore plus 1 and the answer is read as 1 crore 1. Can you try finding the sum and difference by yourself for these numbers? Step 1 is to write the face value and place value for the digit underlined. Step 2 is to find the sum by adding face value with place value. Step 3 is to find the difference by subtracting the face value from place value. Pause the video and try these. You will find the answers at the end of this video. Our next topic for today will be about expanded form of numbers. What is expanded form, children? Expanded form means the sum or adding up of place values of the different digits in a number. First, we shall take a look at the place value chart. It is read from right to left. 1-digit numbers are called ones, 2-digit numbers are called tens, 3-digit numbers are called hundreds, 4-digit numbers are called thousands, and so on. Now, to understand this better, we shall consider this pyramid. With the increase in each digit, we can see that the value also increases by 10 times. Now let's consider the following number. This number is in standard form. We need to find the expanded form for this number. Step 1 is to write the numbers in the place value chart. Step 2 is to write the expansion of the numbers. Starting from left to right, we will get 1 10 crores, 2 crores, 7 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 3 10,000s, 8 thousands, 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 2 ones. Adding up all these values, we will be getting the number itself. So the number will be read as 12 crores, 74 lakhs, 38,562. This is how the numbers are expanded so that we know the actual place values. Here are 2 more examples for your understanding. Let's see how the expansion is done in international number system. The first number 702,845 is expanded as 7 into 100,000, 2 into 1000, 8 into 100, 4 into 10 and 5 into 1. The next number is 360,400,295 and it is expanded as 3 into 100 million, 6 into 10 million, 4 into 100,000, 2 into 100, 9 into 10, 5 into 1. Here is another simple way of writing expanded form. Here is another example. We have not put commas here as it would differ between Indian and international system. You can give a try doing both systems by yourself. And this is the answer to the question asked in place value and face value topic. Okay children, I hope you all understood the topics learned today. Kindly practice at home and I'll see you all soon in next class. Bye.